This video shows how you can install multiple mograt files at the same time in Adobe Premiere Pro. Installing one single file, the mograt file, into the Adobe Premiere Pro is very simple. You have to just drag and drop into the Essential Graphics browse panel, and then it will automatically get installed. Or you can also click here and then navigate to the mograt file, for example this one, and then it will install that file. But the drawback here is that you can just select one file at a time. If you want to install multiple files at the same time, then what you have to do is that you have to go to these paths. So if you are on Windows, you have to go to this particular path and then save all the mograt files over there in that particular path. If you are in a Mac, you have to go to this particular directory. Depending upon what username you have got, you have to just change this username, and then the rest of the path is gonna be the same. So basically go to this directory and then save all your mograt files over there. So basically what happens is that all those files will automatically get installed. That will save a lot of your time. Thank you for watching.